Friends, in this video we will discuss PGT General English question paper. Here we have 10 questions. So with a proper explanation, we will go with all the questions with answer. See the first question. First question is identify the part of speech of the underlined word in the following sentence. So what is the sentence? Kamala was all alone when I saw her. So Kamala was all alone when I saw her. So what is the word here underlined? That is all. Now all is which parts of speech? So all is different parts of speech used in different point of view. It may be used as your adjective and pronoun and adverb also. But here see irrespective of alone, all is the intensifier that intensifies alone. Okay, all alone. So it would be your adverb. Okay, that is your adjective intensifier, adverb. Next one is choose the option in which the following jumbled groups of words can be correctly formed. So here the right option will be D1. D, the fourth one, DCAB. That is the present warning. The present warning is mild contrasted with what he received last year. Okay. Next, third one is integrity. It's opposite. So first of all, meaning of integrity. Meaning of integrity is strength or wholeness. Okay, so its opposite is fragility. Fragility means what you can say, generally breaking into different parts. Okay, fragility. And another words are there. Obeisance. Obeisance means showing respect. Intensity means degree of strength. Compliance means obeying rules. Now 104, you have to find out the error. On my way to school I found a 50 rupees note. So here 50 rupees note, actually note is there, here it is mentioned a note. So whatever amount it will be, so always rupee will be rupee, not in rupees. If it is no note is there, then 50 rupees. Okay, give me 50 rupees, give me 50 rupees. But note, so note is the noun. So 50 rupees, here in place of 50 rupees it will be only 50 rupee. So wrong one is D. D means option number 2. Okay, next one, this national highway runs dash hill and plain. See, below hill and plain not possible, above not possible. Now you have two options. This national highway runs into hill and plain or over. So into means if it is there, if there is certain tunnel, then it's possible. But here both is there, hill and plain. So over will be used. Over means crossing the surface. Crossing the surface. Okay, over is used for crossing the surface point of view. Next one is nearest meaning of the word fastidious. Fastidious means very careful and attentive to details. So fastidious, its a similar meaning will be meticulous. Okay, next one is see this one, you have to find out the clause that he would score a century is almost certain. So this is actually your principal clause. It is your principal clause starting with the linker that he would score is a century. This is your subject, is main verb, and remaining is almost certain is remaining part. So this is your principal clause having one verb each. Achha, next one, here see you have to use the correct article. St. James is dash church nearest my residence. So here talking about nearest. So nearest there is one church, that is St. James. So nearest sense, particular sense, the will be used. So here the is the proper article. Okay, for this question. Next one is change of voice. You have to change into passive voice. I gave you a pen last year. So answer generally here 2, but if you see the use of object, that is there with question number, option number A. I gave you a pen last year. You were given a pen by me last year. See this one, question option number 2 also correct, but in question of option number 2, by me is not there. Okay, object is not there, that's why option A is the right one. You were given a pen by me last year. And last one is the meaning of the idiom of a kind. So of a kind means what? Something is not as good as it might be expected to be. So that's why not good sense. On the way we had a lunch of a kind. So this is a negative expression. So it's your poor kind. Okay. So thanks for watching this and stay connected with other questions to discuss.